last 2 days you've worked with a horse and pony.
Yeah.
What have you learnt that will improve your performance at work?
I think it's understanding that everybody's different, and so you can't just come at everybody the same. You've got to build a relationship, find out in that relationship what makes that person tick in terms of how can you bring out the best in that person. So it's different things for different people, different things for different horses, and so you've got to build this relationship, understand this relationship, and then see how you can get the best out of this relationship. So it's not just about me trying to get what I want, but it's about how can we both work together to improve what we're trying to what our outcome is. And so if he benefits, I benefit. If I benefit, he benefits. It's not just one way, it's a relationship. So fantastic. And really make sure that you stick to your standards and follow through. Don't just say, oh yeah, half pie or half-hearted, and say that's okay, because it's not okay. Awesome.
How will people see a different you when you get back to work tomorrow?
It will be, for me, it'll be just having a look at some of our processes, have a look at some of our procedures, even our policies, and make sure the people processes and people procedures, it's not just about ticking a box, but it's about how can we both work together so we can make this organisation thrive, and not just one way. It can't be just about the organisation, it's got to be about people. So yeah, I'm going to be looking at all our processes, all our policies and all our procedures, and make sure that the people who are involved, they need to have some involvement with that, so then they feel that they can own it. It's all about ownership.
What would you say to someone thinking of doing the programme?
I just want to encourage you. I wasn't really quite sure what I was going to be doing, but this has actually been another avenue to help me kind of look at a relationship and say, okay, to get to know somebody, you can't just, it's not about a policy, it's about how do I build this relationship, what's their personality like, what makes them tick, what makes them light up. And I think it's the same with the horses. We've got to understand, it's understanding each other so we can get the best outcome.